So now we have completed our major parts like scanning, patch deployment, reporting, automation, like security misconfigurations and everything. So let's come to compliance part. So here you can see in VMP is a section called compliance, and from here you can set a compliance policies for your organization or for your like purpose of learning and everything. So just come here in compliance and policy group. We need to create one policy group, but firstly just create map and audit. So we are going to see audit compliance. Just create one compliance. For that you need to first create a group of your systems. Create target group, click on it, you'll be redirect to here. Just give it a name. I'm just giving it Windows systems. Yes. So just drag and drop your systems. I just have two Windows systems, so I will just drop these two. Then just click create group, and the group is now created. Just refresh it. The group is yes. Group is now ready. Windows systems. Then you have to create a policy group. So for which policy you need to do the compliance and audit. So compliance auditing, for doing compliance auditing, you need to create a policy group. Here are all the policies for Windows, Microsoft Windows Server. Just give it a name, policy group, Windows systems, and then create, just select all of these. Just select it all, create group. We'll just create a group. Let's come here, then refresh it. Here you can see I have created a group like before. I have created one group for policy group 6. Here is a group, policy group, Windows systems. And well, when you have to schedule this, like when it will be like triggered audit, I will just select day and Saturday for these 2 days, and 11:14 the time, and this is the day like for day. Just click on an enable notification, give it your email, whatever you want to receive the notification. I will just given it my name. Then just create audit and scan now. It will create this audit policy, and then it will scan it for now. So yes, and then we are going to see system quarantine policy. So now what is system quarantine policy? Like imagine if you are in an organization of 50 computers or 50 systems, and one of your system in any group, like in marketing, in finance, in HR, any of the group, one out of 50 is compromised. So one system is compromised, and you don't want to affect any other systems, so you need to quarantine that system for certain time. And then if the target, or if the vulnerability is if a certain vulnerability or certain software is available in that system, the system will automatically quarantine and detach from your network. So just create policy, then select a group. Just selected my group. Then software. So we are creating 3 policies. Quarantine policy. First is for software. So any of the software, just give it a name. So I am just giving it OBS Studio. If in a system, if in any of the system, like in this group, there are 2 systems, Windows system. If any of the system contains this software, it will automatically shut down or quarantine the PC or system, and it will also not notify you. um, if you want to audit it, then you just audit it, and if you want to quarantine it, so you can quarantine it also. So I am just selecting quarantine, block all network access. Yes, block only internet in range. No, block all network access. I am detaching the system from whole network, and this is the message title, which like the owner of this system receives. Let's explore what is quarantine policy. So now quarantine policy is like, imagine if you are in an organization of 50 systems you are managing in your organization, for marketing, for finance, for HR, for insurance, like anything. So if one of the system is compromised, so you want to quarantine it or you want to detach it from your network to prevent your network safe and from your other devices too. So what you can do is, you can create a policy for any software, for any vulnerability, for any patch, that if this vulnerability is available in that system, XYZ system, just quarantine that system or initiate the audit or any compliance. Like, so you can create a rule, can create a policy for that. So if any vulnerability or any malicious or malformed software is found in a particular system, that will automatically quarantine by the network and by your organization. So just click on create policy, then select the group. I've just created a group like minute ago, and in this group there are two Windows systems. Then like, select a situation for which condition you have to quarantine, or like you want to uh, perform the action. So I have just selected software OBS Studio. If OBS Studio is installed, or OBS Studio or if software OBS Studio is uninstalled, just uh, quarantine the PC, block all network access. You can define many rules, like you can define one or more rules. So if vulnerability, yes, above 4. So if this condition is matched, the uh, system is quarantined, local network access, and this is the message title. The system admin receives that alert, your system has been quarantined, and grace period, after 1 day the system will going to quarantine. So before 1 day, the server will gives that system alert. For that alert, your system has been quarantined, and after a day, the system is quarantined automatically. Enable notification. Just I am giving my email. Yes. Oh yes. So here is how your policy looks like. This is like not needed. So for OBS Studio code, if software OBS Studio is available in following systems, Windows systems, it will automatically quarantine that system and then create. So here is our policy is created. You can create one more policy. Create policy. Just select a group, Windows systems, modify a OS patch. Please select one more thing. So yes, you can create like the conditions within. You can create this policy. Yes, we are adding one more vulnerability. Get available. Get available. If any vulnerability found in any system, for that vulnerability the exploit is available, it will automatically quarantine the system and block all network access. Here is all the settings we have previously seen. So for a single work group, you cannot create two or more policies. You can only create one policy and then modify it under that policy. So this is our policy, first policy, and then just click on save. So here is for our Windows system group. Policy is created for system quarantine. If the condition matches, then the system will be automatically quarantined. This is the situation or three rules we have set for this system or for this work group Windows systems. So yes, here is how you can apply compliance policies on your organization or on any device.